Turning now to COVID-19's Omicron variant in the United States. A second case confirmed tonight in someone who just recently visited New York State. Governor Kathy Hochul says the Minnesota resident who was in New York City for a conference, well, this person is fully vaccinated and experienced only mild symptoms. Hochul says no other Omicron cases have been detected in New York, but her administration is ready for it once it arrives. Well, tonight in Western New York, the 7-day positivity rate is nearly 11%. And in the Finger Lakes region, the positivity rate 10.7%. These remain the highest in the state. The statewide positivity rate is 4.6%. Governor Hochul says she plans to continue allowing local governments to create their own COVID-19 policies rather than implementing statewide mandates. Tonight, reporter Natalie Fahmy takes us through the different approaches two Western New York counties are using to try and slow COVID's latest surge.
This is not the same pandemic as last year, and with each county has unique circumstances that call for a targeted response.
With COVID-19 rates rising across Western New York, both Erie and Monroe counties are in a state of emergency, but the two counties are taking different approaches.
You don't manage a public health crisis by just dropping a hammer.
The masks is not a political statement. It is an issue associated with protecting the public's health.
According to Treasury records, Erie County has received more than $160 million in COVID-19 relief, and Monroe County has received just under $130 million. Both counties have phased plans, but Monroe County is focusing on expanding testing to help reduce transmission.
Our residents will have more tools at their disposal to ensure that they are gathering safely and preventing additional infections.
Monroe County ordered 750,000 at-home rapid COVID-19 tests. Those tests can cost nearly $40 each, but will be at no cost to county residents.
We ordered enough in order to have everybody in Monroe County who wants a rapid test can have a rapid test.
Monroe County has a mask mandate for any county-operated building. Some county employees have returned to work from home. But Erie County Legislator Minority Leader Joe Lorigo says mask mandates are not the solution for Erie County. He says any additional money coming into the county should be spent differently.
We should be putting it towards testing. We haven't done that. We should be putting it towards making sure that our hospitals are better staffed and that there's larger capacity.
Poloncarz says he's concerned about rising rates, but he says masks can be effective.
It is the best way to protect and prevent the further transmission of COVID-19.
I also, question whether the mask mandate is working. He implemented it about 10 days ago, and the numbers continue to increase.
Masks are not required in Erie County if a business has a full vaccine mandate, and most leaders agree that we have an advantage against COVID-19 this winter.
We know more about the virus, we know more about how it spreads, and we have a vaccine that works.
Poloncarz says on December 13th, numbers will be reevaluated to decide whether the county moves to phase 2. Monroe County says they should have an idea of whether their approach is working by the end of the year. Natalie Fahmy, 7 Eyewitness News.